Is Google about to kill the way we search forever? Seriously, the new AI mode just launched and it could flip everything you know about finding information online. So what is this all about? Google AI mode, powered by their Gemini AI, rolled out July 1st, 2025 and it's now available to every English-speaking user in the US, age 13 and up. You'll spot it as a new tab right at the top of Google search, whether you're on your desktop, your phone, Chrome, or Safari. And yeah, it's optional, for now. But here's the wild part. Instead of just dumping a bunch of blue links on you, Google AI mode acts like a super smart chatbot. You ask your question, any question, and it hits you back with a detailed conversational answer. Not just text, but graphs, product recs, even follow-up suggestions. Want to ask about the best running shoes or dive into a complicated finance query? It breaks questions down into sub-questions, then serves up everything you need in one spot. That's the query fan out at work. It's not stopping there. Soon you'll see real-time data for sports scores and stocks, and AI mode will even tap into your Gmail or calendar, if you let it, to suggest things like restaurants near your upcoming trip. Privacy concerns? You can turn that feature off, but hey, it's Google, so. Industry insiders are split. Elizabeth Reed, Google's head of search, calls it the future of Google search, moving beyond information to intelligence. But Eugene Levin from SEMrush says for quick fact checks, old-school search is still faster. So, will this make human search skills obsolete, or just give us a new tool to master? Let me know in the comments. Will you trust Google's AI with your next search, or stick to the classic blue links? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives like this.